This is a short video on how to replace the battery cable that has a broken connector coming from the control box. First thing we're going to do is remove the control box from the trolley. It makes it simpler to use or to make the repair. We'll cut the zip tie here, then we'll remove the quick connects. On the DHC models, there's 4 of these quick connects, and on the GT model, there's 3. They simply just twist off like so. The control box itself is held on with 4 Phillips headed screws, and then same thing with the battery terminal area. Again, it's held on with 2 Phillips headed screws. So just remove those and we'll move on to the next segment of the video. So this is part 2 for the video on how to repair the battery cable with the broken terminal coming off of the PowerBug control box. All you're going to need in order to complete this repair is the cable that we'll have sent to you, pre-installed with the butt connectors on them, which you'll use to connect to the cable of the control box. You need some wire strippers, cable cutters, and I like to use some electrical tape at the end just to seal up that area. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take those cable cutters and we're going to cut the cable coming off the control box, which is going to leave us a little bit of room to work with and some flexibility for the butt connectors when they're installed. So cut that, and what we're going to do, you may need some wire or a knife just to split that a little bit. So cable, we can get in there with the wire strippers. You're going to use on the wire strippers, the stranded side, and we'll use 16 gauge to strip it so we don't take any of the wire off with it. Remove, we're good there. Same thing on the other side. We can get an angle to it. Like so. Now what you'll notice with these cables, they have a ribbed side. You'll feel that with your fingers. It's ribbed there, and then the other wire is smooth. We want to make sure that we pair these up so that we have the right polarity in and out of the battery and control box. So I have my rib side's here. I'll slide that on, come in with our crimpers, crimp like so, get the other side on. Struggle there, make sure it twisted nicely. There you go. We're all crimped, ready to go. It is a very simple repair. Obviously, just take your time, walk yourself through it. Remember that we want the rib side connected to the rib side for the wiring, smooth to smooth, just to keep our polarity there. And we'll just come back with some electrical tape to wrap it around the ends just to seal it up a little bit, and you're good to go. Thank you.